it do, YouTube? It's your boy KoolieBKoolin in the building. Y'all already know, bringing y'all another epic video, man. It's sunny as hell out here. Sun shining. Look, all I can say is, man, Black Beauty be doing what it do. For what she got, she do what it do, man. Cause Migo them, you know, y'all know Lil Migo. It's always, these two like love at first sight, you know, it's like little brother, big brother, you know what I'm saying? Cousins from another mother or something, you know what I'm saying? But man, y'all know I'm out here with my man Goo and Daddy, man. Let them know where to find you out there, what's going on, man.
Hey, we out here, man, getting that footage, you know what I'm saying, for the channel. And you know the IG.
Yes, sir.
So shit, let's get it, man.
Yes, sir. Man, look, I'm gonna tell y'all one thing. This lack right here, this thing scooting boot, man. I ain't gonna cap. He got Whipple Supercharger plate on there, so I'm assuming just off the hint of that it got a Whipple on there. But you know, we gon'. You sent me that footage? Yes, sir. Y'all will see it right now. Out of there. Y'all gotta stay in tune for this vlog. Yes, sir. Y'all gotta stay in tune for that. Y'all head. Woo-wee. Yep. We about to spin off to another location. That thing humming. We about to spin over to another location to get this vlog, man. He just picked this demonstration up from the shop. So we about to get it dead on here for y'all, man. So stay tuned, gang. Hold on. Woo, that thing humming. Woo, that thing humming.
And get WOLRD.
Yeah, say it again. Woo, this donk nasty, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I know he gonna get fully now. All right, y'all, man, we done got to the spot, man. And look, if y'all seen them clips of that demonstration, y'all already know that this thing was nasty. You feel me? So let's just turn around and get dead to it now so y'all can see what's going on, man. Woo. Man, I don't even know the color combination. Like, is this root beer or what? This thing is wet as hell, gang. Like, wet as hell. And we just gonna start off with the little accent. You know what? Y'all know y'all gotta give y'all that walk around. So let's give y'all that walk around when we first walk around this demonstration. You know what I'm saying? Because I know y'all looking right now. And y'all looking real crazy, like, damn, them demonstrations looking crazy. Y'all see, we got the whips over that way too, but this is the topic of discussion right here, man. Woo-wee. Hey, this donk is nasty, man. Nasty. Just picked it up from the shop, you know what I'm saying? And he about to go ahead and still go a lot more crazy than that too, man. So I gotta pop the hood and all that, but let's just get on the outside and let's see what's going on, man. Y'all see, big V on this demonstration. Y'all already know, big V on there, got a 6 Lano on there. Man, look how big them Wildwood rotors is and everything on there, man. Big Wildwood rotors. This paint on here is so wet, it's crazy. And man, today is not, it is the perfect, I'm talking about it's not. Today is the perfect day for the top to be down. You know what I'm saying? Look at that squattage, gang. Y'all rocking with that squattage? Yeah, sir, got the skirts on this demonstration. Big brakes right there too. Y'all see, suspension and everything done up back there too. I can't get too low on there and nothing like that, but man, look at the inside. Let's open this door right now and get to the inside, man. Cause I need y'all to see a full review of this demonstration. I want y'all to see the whole thing, you feel me? Like, look at how everything just flowing with this thing. 73, right? No, 71. See, I almost messed up. The 71 is the year. Look at the guts though, man. Got the Impala set, all that's chromed out. Console done up. Big ass Alpine, I don't even know what size Alpine that is. That's a 9-inch? That thing dookie crazy. You know I'm out here with WOP. He the one that plugged me with this video, you feel me? So shout him out. Y'all see the pillars and everything too, man. Let's get around here, man. We gotta get that trunk and everything, cause I heard this thing was mega smacking. So we gotta get all that in there. Woo, hold on. Hold on, gang. Your boy just not seeing this. Hold on, bro. My man's got nitrous on this demonstration too. Oh man, y'all see. Hold on, let me get up on the inside, man. I gotta sit down now, gang. I gotta sit down one time for the one time. So y'all can see how I feel. You know, y'all get that little front view of how it look like when you riding this demonstration with that top down. That's what y'all seeing, you know what I'm saying? Hold on, let me flip it one time like that, you feel me? That's how y'all, ooh, hey, how your boy looking that drop? I think I need that 71 life, man. This drop life something crazy. Y'all see the boost gauge? So hold on, man, wait. Boost gauge and nitrous. Y'all do the math, you feel me? I know y'all doing the math, man. Yes, yes, you feel me? Dakota, digital dash and everything, steering wheel, you already know that wheel gotta match that wheel. You know what I'm saying? It's only right if that wheel match that wheel. But man, he got so many attention to detail marks, like even his hood thing is billet, brake release thing billet, pedals billet. Like I'm trying to literally look around and see, y'all know, billet mirror up in there too. Like everything in this demonstration is overly clean, like no cap. This one nasty, bro. This one is nasty. I ain't gonna cap, man. Let's get up in this trunk and see what's to it one time real quick. All right, y'all, man, let's get up in this trunk so y'all see what's going on. Mega beatage back here. I don't know too much on the sound system, but I know these sundowns bang. This amp big as hell. He look like he got 2 or 3 of these demonstrations up in here, batteries and everything. This thing definitely smack, man. I'm gonna have to try and get y'all a sound clip, you know, cause I know y'all want the sound clip, but man, YouTube lately, they been on your boy on copyright, so I've been clipping every bit of music. Ain't no more music. We not working for free around here, you feel me? Not at all, man, but look at the accents and everything, man. It's like I say, when you got gold on there and chrome, you gotta know how to put the colors and everything together on there, and the way you put it in here is just perfect too. Like, I don't see you need nothing done, no cap. Y'all gotta drop in that comment section right now and let me know what y'all think about the 71, man. Is it nasty? Y'all rocking with the outside, y'all rocking with the inside? And hold on, man, let me get these door steels too, man, cause he got these demonstrations too, and you already know you gotta be Sandman all the way fleeted up right there type, you know? Yes, sir. Nasty, nasty, but man, you know what they wanna see now. Cause they need to see what's going on with these two, with the boost and then nitrous. Like, we need to see what's going on, man. So y'all know he about to pop this demonstration. Hey, we gonna need some Foolie footage too, cause I heard this bitch humming, gang. You know what I'm saying? I heard it humming. I can't, I gotta tease y'all. Y'all was thirsty, weren't y'all? Y'all was thirsty, I know. Y'all know I gotta mess with y'all, man. It's how, you know, I just gotta keep that suspense and everything. But man, let's get to it. Let's get dead to it. Big LSA up under here, man. Look at the install on here, y'all. Look at the install. AC, everything. Like, this install is mega clean. You know what I'm saying? God damn, the man got smaller pulleys and everything on here too. Oh yeah, he cranking out some big power. Oh, there you go right there. That's what we was looking for. Yes, sir. There it is right there on deck at all times. You know what I'm saying? That's that emergency button. You need that emergency button for the emergencies, man. I'm liking this. Ooh, we got the ice tank and everything. I know y'all looking like, dude, this thing is mega crazy. I'm talking about the headers and everything on there too. Drop in that comment section right now. Stop, pause, do what y'all doing. I know now y'all going crazy over this demonstration, man. Big supercharger, wet ass paint. Like, the checklist on this demonstration, ding. You know what I'm saying? Like, check, you feel me? Keep going, you know what I'm saying? It's no stopping. Like, big brakes on here too. This joint is all the way together, y'all. I gotta go ahead and get up underneath this hood one more time so y'all can see it. I'm gonna have him fire this demonstration up too so y'all can really get that exhaust clip. And y'all know we definitely gotta get some Foolie footage too, man. But damn, the man got the pretty brackets and everything on here, man. I wonder how much power he really making, man. Damn, hold on, gang. I'm steady looking and just peeping stuff, man. Attention to detail. Got the chrome joints over that. Man, look how that mirror look. Look how that mirror look. You know what I'm saying? This thing nasty. 71 life. You know what I'm saying? 71 life. Yes, sir. Get that sound clip for y'all one time. Make sure that music off for me too. You know what I'm saying? Because we might have to clip and cut it. But, woo-wee. Listen up. Listen up. Man, exhaust super slick and sexy on this demonstration too. Man, pat on it one time. Pat on it, let them hit it. God damn. This thing, hey, she losing her mind right now. You on the channel. I know, it's amazing, ain't it? Yeah, yes, sir. I know, it's amazing. Yes, sir. Y'all see what's going on, man? This thing is crazy. Crazy, 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 man. I want to see some Foolie footage, gang. They gonna be mad. We gotta get some Foolie footage of this demonstration, man. Man, this thing is crazy, y'all. You got a bag in this demonstration. Huh? Yes, sir. It's too amazing. She ain't never seen nothing like that. You know what I'm saying? This thing wicked though, man. Let's see if we go ahead and get some Foolie footage though, man. We need to see some Foolie footage of this thing, man. Uh-oh. What's up, girl? Where you running to?
I'm trying to go to
She acting bad, y'all. Ooh-wee. Foolie footage. Foolie footage. Yes, sir. You gonna turn around? All right. They still in the maze. Nah, shooting a YouTube video.
Hey, you know what? I shoot music videos, and I've seen the rawest cars, so I was wondering if Buddy would, because I got people that are always looking for cars, not to drive them around,
right,
but I have them in the background. Would he?
That's that's the car right there, yeah. Hey, y'all can move over this way. Foolie footage time, gang. Let's see this thing turn up. Yes, sir. Tattoo the pavement. Y'all know that's his tattoo right there. Ooh, this thing spicy as hell. Oh my God, that's how I want a 71 done. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. This thing sound nasty. Nasty, bro. It sound raspy as hell. Go ahead and blick it one more time. Man, that thing is real raspy. You know what I'm saying? He ain't gonna go overly crazy in this demonstration right now because he about to switch it over and get it retuned and everything like that, but damn, gotta get that gas tank for y'all too, man. Y'all see how it's coming. Yes, sir, this thing spicy. This thing nasty. This how you do a 71. This thing nasty. Yes, sir. This is an unboxing of a Kong Performance blower. This is not my Supercharger, so I don't know too much about what's all to it, how much power it's supposed to produce and nothing like that, but it's supposed to be something real unique because it's only what, 4 or 5 that's done. So Y'all drop in the comment section and let me know after we unbox it. Have y'all ever seen anything like that? How rare it is? You know, give me some input on how much power and everything it's supposed to do, man. So let's get it, man. Let's go ahead and do this unboxing, man. Y'all know I'm right here with WOP with it too, so we finna see what's to it. See how they package these demonstrations up too.
Oh, it's nice and tight too.
You know what I'm saying? Let's see how they ship it. So what size blower is this supposed to be?
This is a 2650.
A 2650 Kong Performance blower.
Right.
You ready?
Let's get it.
Let's see what's in here.
Let's get it. Let's see how they box it. Okay, they got it boxed up real nice and juicy. Real nice and juicy. Oh, look at the CNC-ness. Look at the CNC-ness. Yes, sir. Okay, man. Let me get up in here so y'all can see everything going on, man. Big Kong blow on there. So this is they brand Supercharger. Whew. Let's see that portage. Damn, they got this thing blocked off. I want to get up in here, y'all. Let's see if hopefully y'all can see it. They got a plastic over there. I don't want to take that off. They look like they doing what they do with it. Let's check the underneath. Like I say, this just a whole new demonstration, and this, to let y'all know, is gonna replace that. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. This thing look crazy though. It definitely look pretty. It looked pretty. So how much power are you supposed to gain off of switching this blower now from the regular LSA? Another 200 horsepower? Damn, man. 105, right?
What's that?
It's 105. This a brand new blower?
There's about 5 of them that are published. I don't know how many they've sold.
Oh, okay.
You can find about 5 people with it so far.
Okay. So y'all want to look it up. It's the Kong 2650. So they must be in competition with Magnuson and all that type of stuff.
It is a Magnuson blower.
Oh, okay.
It's their ported version of it. It's their blades put into a LSA case.
Oh, okay.
So they basically put a Magnuson 2650 into a LSA blower and ported it and make it same power. Normally this does about a 1.7, 1.9 factory.
Yeah.
And then
so what?
this does like a 2.7.
Oh, okay. So this this a whole bigger blower. This a whole bigger and everything then.
Yeah, my motor.
Monster. You see the gorilla?
Yeah. Well, y'all see it, man. This the new Kong demonstration. So y'all if y'all want to see this thing perform, it's gonna be performing inside of this demonstration right here, cause he taking that off, and that's what it's supposed to replace. So 200 horse, that's a lot more power, man. A lot more power.